welcome to watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on April 17th. Market analysis. During the Asian session on Thursday, the spot gold market surged back, and the highest point once again reached a record high of $3,357.74 per ounce. At present, it fluctuates within the range and currently trades around $3,335 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the trend of the Trump administration's tariff policy and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. At the same time, the future trend of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy will also affect the market trend. Gold market. At present, the spot gold hourly chart is in the main mood. From a short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a high shock stage, with a shock range of $33.20 to $33.45, and it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in this range. If the afternoon market breaks 3,345 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $33.55 to $33.65. If the afternoon market breaks 3,320 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $33.10 to $33.00. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar fluctuated at a high level in hours and at a high level in the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart oscillation range is 1.1338 to 1.1384. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 1.1384 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1409 to 1.1450. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1338 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.1270 to 1.1220. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in a high shock stage on the hourly chart and in a shock stage on the 15-minute chart, and it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.3200 to 1.3250. If the market breaks 1.3250 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3309 to 1.3350. If the afternoon market breaks below 1.3200 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.3170 to 1.3120. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is at a high level in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6321 to 0.6395. If the market breaks 0.6395 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6420 to 0.6460. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6321 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be 0.6270 to 0.6220. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is at a low level. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 142.38 to 142.86. If the market breaks 142.86 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 143.50 to 144.20. If the afternoon market breaks 142.38 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 141.50 to 141.00. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.